As I've mentioned in class, there are various ways to perform long division to polynomials. This video is going to demonstrate how to use long division to divide a polynomial. So the first thing I'm going to do is write my dividend out, which is 8x cubed plus 6x squared plus 5x minus 9. And I'm dividing by 2x plus 3. So I'm going to put that over here. 2x plus 3. So before we get to dividing, I want to remind you of the laws of exponents, which is that x times x equals x squared. X times x squared equals x cubed. And x times x cubed equals x to the fourth. The way this actually works is that even though these x's don't have exponents, it really means that there's a 1, and we're just adding the exponents together to get the new one. So this has a 1 and a 2, and that's why it's 3. So that is something that we'll have to keep in mind when we're doing a problem like this. So our first step in solving this is we need to figure out what times 2x will equal 8x cubed. Well, I know that 2 times 4 is 8. X times what is x cubed? I can look over here. X times x squared is x cubed. So this is going to be an x squared. 4x times 2x is 8x cubed. And then I need to multiply the 4x squared by this positive 3. 4x squared times 3 is 12x squared, because 4 times 3 is 12. Now I'm going to subtract this whole quantity. 8x cubed minus 8x cubed is 0. You don't have to write it. And then you've got 6x squared. This minus applies to here, so minus 12x squared. 6 minus 12 is negative 6x squared. And we're going to bring down this plus 5x and go through that process again. Something times 2x is negative 6x squared. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. I've got this 1x, so that means another x would give me an x squared. Negative 3x times 2x is negative 6x squared. Negative 3x times 3 is negative 9x. And I'm going to subtract all of this. So remember, if you have minus a negative, it becomes a positive, or you could actually put it in the calculator this way. This negative 6 minus negative 6 becomes a 0. And then we have 5x minus negative 9, and that is 14x. We're going to bring down this negative 9 and go through the process again. Something times 2x is 14x. That is going to be 7. 7 times 2x is 14x. 7 times 3 is 21. We're going to subtract all of this. 14 minus 14 is 0. Negative 9 minus 21 is negative 30. So we are done. This is our quotient up at the top, and that's our remainder. So I'm going to write that out as 4x squared minus 3x plus 7, and my remainder is 30, then negative 30 over the divisor 2x plus 3.